ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ẹ wò ó arábìnrin haúsá yìí ó sọ̀rọ̀ ó ní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ muslim ó ní ẹ má jẹ́ kí àwọn fúlàní tó ń sá sí ọ̀ndà religion yín láti fi ṣe kíni láti fi ba ilẹ̀ yorùbá jẹ́ láti fi ba nàìjíríà jẹ́ yín pé wọ́n ṣe ń sá sí ọ̀ndà yín wọ́n fẹ́ gbalẹ̀ ní gẹ́gẹ́ báwa náà ṣe mọ̀ mo fẹ́ kẹ́ wá lọ gbọ́ bí arábìnrin haúsá bó ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ ó ní kí àwọn mùsùlùmí tó jẹ́ original mùsùlùmí kí àwọn tó jẹ́ ti yíbò tí àwọn tó jẹ́ ti yorùbá àwọn tó jẹ́ ti ìṣẹ̀ṣe ti kírísítẹ́nì ní ti ìṣẹ̀ṣe ni àti ti gbogbo ẹ̀ papọ̀ yípe kan jẹ́ ká gbogbo wa pawọ́pọ̀ láti lè ṣe kíni láti lè gbógun ti àwọn fúlàní tó ń ṣe iṣẹ́ ibi lórí ilẹ̀ wa ẹ wo in fact ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn kì í síbẹ̀ lédè gẹ̀ẹ́sì ló sọ o mo fẹ́ kẹ́ wá lọ gbọ́ bó ṣe ṣàlàyé ọ̀rọ̀ náà.
Please change the color. So, Yoruba Muslim.
Just a minute.
No, Hausa people.
Just a minute. Let me take my recording. Just a minute.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, Yoruba Muslim. I'm a Hausa woman. I'm a Muslim. My dad is Imam. My great-granddad is Imam. Now, in our family house, we have 5 Imam. I'm studying in Saudi Arabia. I speak Arabic as well as speak Hausa. I speak Arabic more even than English because my study is in Arabic language. I'm a Muslim like you. Please, Yoruba Muslim, open your eyes. Do not let Fulani to deceive you, to cause problem between you and Yoruba Christian or traditional. Fulani caused problem between Hausa Muslim and Hausa Christian before 9 years. But we the Muslim, we discovered Fulani use religion to divide us so they can rule us easily. Fulani caused problem between Hausa Muslim and Middle Belt Christian. We were killing each other, but now we understand what Fulani have done for us. In Hausa land, Fulani used religion 220 years ago. They unalive our Seriki. We don't have Emia. Emia is an Arabic language. Seriki is a Hausa language. Yoruba, if you remember, we were Muslim before even Fulani arrived to Hausa land. You know Hausa people. Hausa people lived in Yoruba land more than 500 years. And Yoruba also living in Hausa land. We will live in peace. We will live with our Muslim, traditional, and Christian. We don't have problem till Fulani arrived to Hausa land. They caused problem and hatred between Christian and Muslim. It's time to come together, Muslim, Christian, traditional, to help each other to take Nigeria back because Fulani want to take over our country. Fulani working with the ISIS. Nasr al-Islam is not organization for the Muslim. It's a terrorist organization. They're working with the ISIS. If you are Shia Muslim, you know Iran very well. If you are Sunni Muslim, you know Turkish. So Fulani working with the both, Turkish and Iran. They want to make Nigeria Islamic country, but not like Saudi Arabia or Dubai. No, they want to make Saudi Arabia exactly like Syria and Yemen and Iraq. Check your phone. Yemen already, Fulani or Iran destroyed that country, the beautiful country with a legacy, long history. Yoruba Muslim and Igbos, please open your eyes. Do not help Fulani because of religion to become against your brothers. Your brothers is your brothers. Your blood is your blood. Don't trust Fulani. Don't support Fulani. You have to stay away from Fulanis. Do not pray behind them. They don't believe in Prophet Muhammad. They have their own religion called Podianchi. They consider Dampodio as God, as Prophet Muhammad. So please, Yoruba, wake up. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
like Anumbe,
It's a strong message
America want to
for all
designate
Nigerian Muslims.
Sokoto Caliphate as
Sultan.
terrorists. Please, will you condemn them as terrorists,
We
please?
support America to name them a terrorist. We support them. We support even Nasr al-Islam.
To name who? To name who a terrorist, please. To name who?
Fulani.
My brother is not naming. They are terrorists. The terrorists.
It's terrorists, yes. Sokoto Caliphate and Nasr al-Islam also. You don't know Nasr al-Islam?
Thank you.
They're creating Boko Haram. Nasr al-Islam.
Record.
Sorry?
Continue.
Sultan Sokoto is one of them.
Yeah.
Fulani Boko Haram.
He's the founder. He's the founder. He's the
He is the founder. He is the leader. Nasr al-Islam.
He's the head.
Yes. Shaitan of Sokoto, he is the number one a terrorist in this country. Yes.
I'm telling you, my sister.
Yes, he's the number one.
He's the number one first.
Yes.
He's the number one.
If Sudan or Sokoto has to be dismantled, it has to be dismantled. Is the problem of Nigeria is Sudan or Sokoto?
Sometimes
Sultan.
exactly like Bin Laden. Yes.
You know one thing?
Exactly.
Yes. Like Bin Laden.
Nigerians don't know what is coming for them until Tinubu finishes 80 years. Then we will know the kind of mess we are into.
We want to allow Tinubu to come to
finish his 80 years.
We want to allow Tinubu to come again. Because Tinubu have agreement with the Fulanis.
No, you know, Fulani.
Fulani supporting Tinubu.
Allow Tinubu go pada one second time again. Repeat it again, ma.
Yes. You know, Tinubu has agreement with the Fulanis. When he finishes, he want to take to give them Nigeria. That's
Thank you.
Support him.
You understand the game.
Sorry?
We should never allow El-Rufai and his gang to ever come to power again. El-Rufai.
It's better we divide Nigeria to regionalism. That's the only best way to go. We divide in regionalism. Nobody should be any president again in Nigeria. We divide it regionalism. That's the only best way to go now.
People, you know,
so that the house will be free.
Look, my advice to you, we have to come together. Now we understand each other. Hausa, Yoruba, Igbos. Now we have to think about what we're going to do. Election almost, we're talking about maybe 11 months or 12 months. So we don't have time. We have to think about who is our candidate. About Hausa, we don't have problem. With Hausa, we're working together. Hausa Muslim, Hausa Christian, Hausa traditional. We will never vote for Fulanis. But who we're going to vote? Who is the right candidate for us?
In Yoruba land, I bet you, Fulani will not see 10 votes in Yoruba land.
But the problem is not our vote doesn't count. In Nigeria, we don't have any vote. Our vote doesn't count.
It is. No.
No, my brother, it counts only when we decide for it to count.
No, Tinubu, we didn't vote for Tinubu. You know that Tinubu is imposed on us.
Anybody Fulani.
We didn't vote for Tinubu. How can you
That's a very great question. You people
see,
not pay attention.
Anybody Fulani.
Anybody
Fulani is campaigning for.
The same thing.
We shouldn't vote for them.
These are
whether we vote, we don't vote. Our vote doesn't count because they have power. The power is on their hand.
Listen.
Hello, this our sister asked a very good question. He said, 2027, who are we going to vote for? That is our question.
We have to choose the right candidate. So
Madam, my sister, let me tell you, at least let's have a country called Nigeria 2027. What we should be talking about now, we should be fighting to have a country first. Because the way Nigeria is going now, I don't think we have a country.
You are right, my brother. We don't know if Nigeria will last till January 7th.
Let Hausa stand on their feet and take their land back first.
Exactly. We don't need
that is what we will be fighting. You people should stand up and Yoruba, Igbo, Niger Delta, we support you.
Yes.
Take your what belongs to you back first.
No,
we
listen.
we we
No,
we
listen.
Igbos, we have already stand up for this injustice.
We talk. No,
Yes, we
no
don't need
tribe.
Nigeria now because your vote is not counting at all.
No,
Yeah,
no, no,
so
no.
Nigeria is not a problem now.
Exactly.
Let's have a country first.
Even the name has to be changed. Even we want to
My
be at the same country.
Thank
The
you.
name
Whether we
has to
don't
be
go accept
changed.
Nigeria again, we'll go turn out to one country.
The
We
name
don't
has to
know.
be
I want to
changed. The name given
This
to
is
us as a
rubbish.
slave. We have to
I
change
want
it
to shock
first before any other thing.
I want to shock you guys. This is how the Fulani Caliphate. This is how they work. They are master of conquest. They don't rush things. You see Tinubu, they can allow Tinubu to finish it 8 years if their plan is working in their in how they are, like if their plan is going how they plan it. Tinubu is not their problem. They can allow Tinubu to finish his 8 years, but the problem here is that how can we stop them first from outside land, because outside land is where they are manipulating
Easy.
every
No,
Nigeria from.
listen.
They
You
are
don't
using
know. You
outside
don't know.
populations
No,
to
my
manipulate
brother.
people.
Can I answer your question?
Please,
The
please.
only way is separation. Let
You don't
everybody go
know.
their own way.
You don't know what's going in Hausa
God
land now.
bless you. God bless you, my brother.
You don't.
Supported.
Okay, please. You don't know what's going on in Hausa land now. The power of Fulani is religion. Fulani use
Thank you.
religion. Fulani use religion to deceive us.
Manipulate.
Yeah, but let me. I want me to record this because it's very important.
D, please let her talk. Don't let us enter so that because they are recording.
Ẹ máa mú tara ẹ ń kó sí lẹ́nu mi ò láìkẹ́ mo máa remove yín kúrò.
Fulani are now in Hausa land are suffering. They are crying. If you live in Hausa land now, you're going to understand no any tribe fighting Fulani more than Hausa people. But no one knows because most of time we speak in our language and we want our people to understand Fulani. In 9 years, we enlighten a lot of Hausa people. I can say 90% of Hausa people knows what we're doing now. And they agree with us and they support us in the villages. Zampara, Sokoto, Katsina, Kano, Jigawa, and Kebbi, and Zaria. All this local government, we have agent. They taking our audios, village to village, to enlighten Hausa people who don't even have smartphone. We will never vote for Fulani, not only about vote, prayer, because the power of Fulani is a religion. Fulani can do anything without religion. That's why now they try to cause the problem between Igbo Muslim and Christian. They support minority Igbo Muslim. That's why they give Igbo award 1 week ago, the biggest award in Sokoto. So with the Hausa people, we stopped praying behind Fulanis. In the mosque on Friday, when you see it, before you can see like 6,000, 7,000 people. Now you can find 200, 300 people. That's why Fulani get angry with us. Yes, that's why Fulani got angry with us. They unalive Hausa people in the mosque. Don't you remember 2 months ago, Fulani unalive 72 Hausa Muslim in the mosque during Fajr prayer? Even in Zampara also, they unalive people in the mosque because they're scared. If Hausa people stopped to pray behind them, to support them as a Muslim, to work together as a Muslim brother or Muslim, Fulani nothing. The power of Fulani is a religion. If you take religion of Fulanis, you don't support them, you don't engage them, you don't trust them. If you speak Hausa, you can go to check in Facebook how the Hausa people insulting Fulani scholars. Now they can even mention my name. They're scared. Before they insult me, they call me Christian, Jewish, I take contractor. Now they can't because they're scared. When they mention my name or picked out, or they put my picture, see 1 million Hausa people insulting one scholars. So now, we the Hausa people, we know what we're doing in Hausa land. To be frankly with you, the war is coming between Hausa and Fulani. But Fulani, they don't want it. Fulani, they don't want even people to know we spread ourselves with them. That's what we do protects in Germany. Don't you see that? Go on my platform. See, go on my page, Jarma Hausa TV or Allah Vegetami. Check and see it. Even when resident, even the kind of picture, even the pastor who went to America to complain about genocide of Christians was there, his picture. So Fulani now, even they send people to my family house to talk with my family, let your daughter to stop doing this. He's against Islam. He wants to destroy Islam. What my family say, let her destroy Islam. When she destroys Islam, we're going to build it again. So please, people, Hausa people know what they do it. Do your own. I'm trying to come together to find one strong candidate to start campaign for him. That only may advise to you. We will talk our country back. Planning nothing. Planning us weak. Planning scared for Hausa people. Planning can dare to say anything about Hausa people. I come out to insult all the planning in the world, but they can't dare to insult Hausa people. They can't do that. They hide themselves in the shadow of Hausa. We are the Hausa, intermarriage, Islam. So when now they know Hausa man divorced Fulani women, when they made DNA test, the children is not Hausas, they are scared. So please, Yoruba and Igbo, open your eyes. No, Fulani, they don't have power like before in Hausa land. Yes, still they are politician leader, religious leader, traditional leader, but for what? Now, Hausa people never vote for Fulani anymore. We will never vote for Konkoso or Atiko or Manja al-Mustafa. We will never vote for them. But if we don't decide who is our candidate, so who we going to vote? Please, I need your answer. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Can I say my mind? You want me to answer first? For me, I will say, for me, I'm a Yoruba nation, and nothing can change Yoruba nation. Yoruba nation is my own election is Yoruba nation. I don't care about Nigeria anymore. Enough is
Thank
enough.
you, my brother. Thank you. I support you.
Each region should fight for their life. We are in the survive now. We will. You have to fight for your own people now. That is what is going on. Yoruba nation is my own election.
Okay, thank you.
Go ahead. I will add to what our brother said. I support what he said. We, Biafrans, we are fighting already for Biafran nation. We know about that already. It's not that we abandon our brother Hausa, that I see that they are struggling to liberate themselves from Fulani. Don't worry. It's not that if we have our own nation, we abandon you people. No. It will give us more authority to fight for you people. So that's what I support. Everybody go in his own region
we're going
so
to
that
go
we
to
form
Yoruba
our
and
own
Igbo
army.
president. We have two presidents, Yoruba and Igbo president, second election.
Yeah, that's the region. We are all nation before Britain joined us together.
I know
we are
they
all
are Hausa
nation
land before
independent
British
before.
come. They are Hausa land, Hausa.
Yes, we have to go back where how it was before.
Okay, we already were fighting for Hausa people, but the question is, the question is, the candidate Tinubu, he is a Yoruba, but he is the president of Nigeria. You like or not? We're talking about Yoruba nation, Igbo nation, Hausa nation. It's okay. We're fighting for our right. I'm freedom fighter for Hausa people. I'm looking,
Okay.
for my people. Hausa people is first. But we have Nigeria still. We live in one country. So when election come, we're going to say, no, I'm fighting for Hausa people, you fighting for Yoruba, I'm fighting for Igbo. Who is our candidate?
Okay, my dear sister, let me reply you. Please, listen to me. We have been in this Nigeria for many years, and it have not worked. And he has been destroying us. Now we are pushing. Wait. Let me finish. We are pushing now that everybody in Nigeria have to stand up and say we want Nigeria be divided. Everybody have to go in his own way, so that we have, maybe if we want to be together after we join together. That's what we are fighting now. We don't want any other president. Okay, that's what we are fighting now.
Okay, but
so
now,
that we will help Hausa to liberate themselves.
For 12 months, we can divide Nigeria with 12 months. Yes.
Just a minute, please. Just a minute. Màá ṣàlàyé nǹkan tí Alumbe try àti sọ fún wa. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo wa lọ sí ibi tí orúkọ mi wà lókè yẹn. Níbi tó ń kọ Queen sí yẹn, love wà ńbẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ kí everybody, we are more than 300 here now. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a lọ click ibi tí love yẹn wà. Please.
Sister, you speak English because I don't understand Yoruba well.
Wait now. Let everybody.
I don't understand Yoruba now.
Up. Let everybody go and click the love beside my name. Please. Please.
Okay.
You will see my name up. So you will see the love beside my name. Please let everybody click the love, please. Ṣẹ́rí nǹkan tí Alumbe sọ fún wa ni wípé ní báyìí gbogbo wa là ń jàjàǹgbara pé a fẹ́ dá dúró. Yorùbá ń jàjàǹgbara pé a fẹ́ dá dúró. Haúsá náà ń jàjàǹgbara pé àwọn fẹ́ dá dúró. Àwọn ọmọ Haúsá náà wọ́n ń jàjàǹgbara pé àwọn fẹ́ dá dúró. Nǹkan tí Alumbe wa ń sọ ni wípé but Nigeria la ṣì wà. President kan ló ṣì ń control wa nínú bá ṣe ń jàjàǹgbara yìí. Wọ́n sì ń jẹ president lé wa lórí. Àwọn people ṣì ń control wa nítorí pé àwọn ni president wa. Kò sọ fún ìdí eléyìí wọ́n bá wá sọ wípé ta ni bá ṣe ń jàjàǹgbara tájọ́ ọmọ Yorùbá yìí àbí tájọ́ ọmọ Biafra àbí tájọ́ ọmọ Haúsá yìí. Àwọn mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta ní Nàìjíríà nìyẹn. Kò sí Fúlàní nínú wa. Àwọn mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta ní Nàìjíríà ta wá ní ẹni tí ẹ fẹ́ dìbò fún ní báyìí. So bàbá tó bọ́nlẹ̀ tó ń jẹ́ Kútútù wọ́n ní àwọn táwọn ò ní tẹ̀ka for anybody tó bá fẹ́ dìde fún president àwọn ò ní tẹ̀ka fún ohun táwọn sọ táwọn fi bọ́nlẹ̀ nìyẹn. Bàbá àwọn ọmọ Biafra náà brother wa àwọn náà ní Biafra làwọn wà but ẹ̀yin ò tí ì fìdí ẹ̀ múlẹ̀ sà. Kí lorúkọ yín náà? Mi ò mọ orúkọ yín pè mí, ẹ má bínú. Ṣé Òyìnyèṣí, ẹ má bínú please. Bóyá Sùọ̀ ni, ẹ má bínú. Ẹ̀yin ò tí wàá fìdí ẹ̀ múlẹ̀ yìí pé ní ìsinyìí o ẹ̀yin ò náà bí ẹnìyẹn ṣe pé ẹni ọmọ Yorùbá tó sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan ó sọ délẹ̀ pé òun ò dìbò fẹ́ anybody ní tèun. Ṣẹ́yìn náà ẹ̀yin náà tẹ́ bá fẹ́ sọ ẹ sọ pé mi ò dìbò fẹ́ anybody. Ìbá àjọmọ Yíbò ṣe ń gbọ́ bí mo ṣe ń tò. Ìbá àjọmọ Haúsá, ìbá àjọmọ Yorùbá, èmi náà mi ò dìbò fẹ́ anybody. So bí ọmọ Yorùbá tó sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ṣe sọ nìyẹn. Ìbá àjẹ Haúsá, ìbá àjẹ Yíbò, ìbá àjẹ ọmọ Yorùbá, ó lòun ò dìbò fẹ́ anybody. Ìjàǹgbara pé ká dá dúró nìkan lòun wà fún ní ọ̀dọ̀ tèmi. Kò sọ títí ẹ̀. So ẹjọ́ tá bá fẹ́ sọ lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan ẹ jẹ́ ká máa sọ ká máa fìdí ẹ̀ múlẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin tá bá dẹ̀ ní candidate tẹ́ mọ̀ pé APC níyìn àbí whatever party tẹ́ bá wà ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ pé òkè o nígbà tá a ṣì wà nù Nàìjíríà yìí o ẹni tí èmi ṣì máa dìbò fún lélẹ́jì o. So ó níbi tí ó ń gbé ọ̀rọ̀ lọ ó sì máa continue. Alumbe ṣì máa continue ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ ó sì máa continue. So ó fẹ́ ká mọ̀ opinion everybody so kó tó continue bó ṣe rí nìyẹn. Mo sọ ní Yorùbá, ta ló lè bá mi sọ nǹkan tí mo sọ yìí ní èdè Haúsá àbí ní èdè Haúsá Kí gbogbo wa ká gbọ́.
But sister, all this thing you're saying, I know that you are saying a good thing, but I didn't understand anything. No.
I know, wait.
I don't know whether somebody can explain to us.
Just wait. Ta ló lè bá mi sọ nǹkan tí mo sọ yìí ní èdè Hausa? So káwọn Hausa náà lè gbọ́ nǹkan tí mo sọ yìí, please. Ubali, you can interpret my words to Hausa. Yeah? Alumbe, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
No, Ubali, sorry, Ubali. Alumbe, do you understand what everything I'm said?
No, I don't speak Yoruba. I don't understand.
You don't understand. That is why I'm calling Ubali. Ubali, you understand me very well. Can you interpret my words to Hausa, please?
Ubale, are you there? Ubale, kana kusa? Ubale?
He muted himself. I don't think.
Ubali, I need them to interpret ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo sọ yìí ní èdè Hausa. Ẹni tó gbọ́ ohun tí mo sọ yìí dáadáa, ta ló wà ní comment section tó lè bá mi sọ nǹkan tí mo sọ yìí ní èdè Hausa. I can explain it into English. Okay, ẹ máa bọ̀ lókè.
Ubale.
Okay. Ẹ jẹ́ kí ẹni máa bọ̀ ní òkè. Wait.
Ubale maybe
here. I think Ubali is not on the it's not here.
Yeah.
Let me bring you up.
You know, Queen, my question is.
Wait. The question you are asking, I understand you very well. That is why I interpret your words to my own diet language, which is Yoruba. So let Hausa interpret to you so that you can understand me as well. Yes, let's work together. Ẹni tó wá sókè yìí, kí lorúkọ ẹ ṣó fẹ́ interpret kan tí mo sọ ni? Okay, mommy, Ìyálóde ṣé lè bá mi tún sọ. Ṣé yín fẹ́ tún sọ fún wa ni ma?
Ẹ má bínú, èmi ṣé mi nìyẹn ṣá. Èèyàn mi mà ti lo picture mi kẹ́.
Ẹ̀yin náà lẹ ti wà lókè mà.
Mi ò gbọ́ Hausa.
Nǹkan tí mo sọ ni.
No, èmi ò gbọ́ Hausa. I don't understand Hausa, but
ṣé lè bá mi sọ lédè òyìnbó?
Yeah, what mama? But this is not me, this is not my thing, but I will speak though.
Have you explained it on English now?
So what Mama?
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, what Mama Alube was saying, and what Mama Queen was saying was that you know, because we are still in Nigeria, I know we all want to live. We want our nation, but things have really gone gaga. Things have really spoiled. But at this time, we don't really have a choice because we don't have Yoruba nation yet. We don't have Hausa nation yet. We don't have Igbo because we are Wasobia. The only people that came and infiltrated us are the Fulanis. And when you look at the north, Fulani has taken over the north. They've taken over the political space. They've taken over the military space. They've infiltrated that area of the country. But as we are now, we are so incapacitated. We are still in Nigeria. You cannot say, in 2027, I want my nation now. I want my nation now. So we are canvassing, who are we going to vote for? We still have to vote, whether we like it or not. Because if we do not vote, these Fulanis will still come. Atiku is coming. El-Rufai is coming. And Kwankwaso is coming. Tinubu is still there. But we want to come together and vote a good person. The person that will work for us as a nation. That is what Mama Queen is saying. And that is the question that Mama Alumbe is asking. That what are we going to do in 2027? So you don't just come up, and be like, oh, Yoruba Nation, I vote for Yoruba Nation. Exactly. We don't have a Yoruba Nation yet. Mm-hmm. Oh, I want to Igbo. We don't have Igbo Nation yet. So we cannot be blunt. Mm-hmm. So we really have to work together and take our country back. Exactly. And vote the right person. In 2023, we were deceived. We were rigged. We all knew who we voted for in 2023. We all knew these people rigged themselves in. So they are using divide and rule to divide us, to destroy us. Mm-hmm. They are telling us Igbos are not good, but Fulanis are the ones killing us. Igbos are not killing us. You know, they are just turning us against each other.
Yeah.
They know Igbos and Yorubas. We work together. We marry each other. Awusas are our brothers. But these Fulanis came in, they use gimmick, and they've taken away a whole zone in the north. They've taken them away, but now they are shouting and they are pleading that we should support them so that they can take their land back. But we cannot do it by us coming here. Yoruba Nation, I voted for, but we don't have a Yoruba Nation. So we should all come together. We are over 300 people here. Let us listen to what Mama Alube is saying, and let us reason well. And we should not just be talking in between each other. We will not understand what she's saying. Because I remember when I was growing up, Hausas are very good people. Hausas are very good people. Igbos are very good people. But these Fulanis came in, they infiltrated us, and they are destroying Nigeria. And even if we want our nation, we want Yoruba nation, we want Hausa nation, we want Igbo nation, there is a way we can go about it. But I can assure you it's not going to happen before 2027. We need to come together and work together as a nation and elect a good leader that will work for us. Thank you.
Wait a minute, please. If you want to speak now, I think you understand everything we are saying here.
Yes, ma. Can I react to this?
Wait, not you. True talk, not you, sir.
Okay.
Sam Onishere, please. I don't know how to don't mind. So speak. Let's hear you. Let's start from you. Oh yeah, speak. Show what you must buy. Onishere, can you speak? Yes, but I don't know how to pronounce your name, please.
Onyechi.
Oniyeshi, okay.
Onyechi, see. The meaning is gift of God. It's in Igbo language.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, my dear sister, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. I understand whatever you people are trying to say here, but we have to know the reality of Nigeria. We have known that Nigeria, there have never been a sincere and truthful election since it has been created. Because an election in Nigeria has been always manipulated by even our colonizers like Britain. We are not we are not independent in election. We supposed to know this. We can vote whatever or whoever we want, but they will not choose who the population wants.
Don't speak with everybody. Speak by your own self. Let's hear your own opinion.
Yes, yes, I'm saying my own opinion. My own opinion is that.
No.
Wait, let me land. Let me land, my dear sister.
So many people.
Yes, I want us to let us not be emotional. We have to face the reality. If we can remember, last year Obi was the one that won election, but they ring it. It has been happening like that. Yoruba or Fulani, even Igbo, Hausa, nobody of them have been government. No, I mean that if we can see very well, this is agenda they have placed that Nigeria will have to be ruled by Fulani or Yoruba. Even Igbo, we haven't have any president in Nigeria. Talk less of Hausa. We have to be. We don't need emotional here. We have to know that this is agenda at the beginning of the creation of Nigeria, that they have to be ruling Fulani and the Yoruba. So if we are saying now we have to choose, we can we choose that we put their own people.
Can you speak straightforward that okay, maybe you won't give us your own opinion that please my people, let's vote for Obio for coming election. That's it. Don't go kono. Speak straightforward. Let's hearing you. Don't go to kono. For this election, me Shinyere, I won't vote for Obio for my own side. Our Igbo people, please let's support Obi.
Onyechi, look at what our host is saying. It's very, very simple. I want to explain this.
I don't know.
You see what she's saying? Inuifonya Aneku is very simple. Like right now, we cannot. Right now, we cannot say we need. Right now, we cannot say we need Biafra or we need Odudua or we need this one. We need this one. It's not possible. Now, what we are saying, we have to come out 2027 and vote, no matter the situation. If it's Obi, if it's Tunubu, if it's Omoyele, tell us the one you think is better. We must vote. We cannot continue to deceive ourselves anymore and say, me, I'm an Igbo person. I can't say I've been waiting for Biafra for right now. We can't be deceiving ourselves every time. We need to come out. Igbo should stop this. I will warn you, Igbo. Igbo should stop this and stop thinking about getting Biafra right now.
Why is it not possible? Why is it not possible to ask that you have to go to our...
You asked a very good question. Let me tell you. It's not going to be... Let me tell you why it's not going to be possible.
Okay.
There's how we go about it. First of all, if you need Odudua Republic, if you need Biafra Republic, you can go about it in illegal way. How do you go about it in this first place? You cannot just continue to set aside the whole thing by you understanding that these people that is in power, today are not ready. These people that is in power today are not ready to listen to you. They are not ready to listen to Odudua. They are not ready to listen to Biafra. They are not ready to listen to anybody. Then what do you do now? Look at what they did to Nnamdi Kanu. Because he speak for his people, he's now kept somewhere. But where are we? Then let's vote somebody. Let's come together again and try. This is the time. And vote somebody. If not Peter Obi, if not Moyele Sowore, if not Tinubu, somebody, you must stand here and tell us, look at what you need. Let's forget about agitation for now. Then
okay,
if we vote excuse me, I'm coming to. If we vote somebody who understands the rule of law, then we can talk about agitation. But these people in power today, they don't care to know. They are working with Fulanis. And these people they are working with, their intention is to destroy Nigeria to the ground.
Thank you.
That is just
you have replied my question. My question, you have replied it because you said that they are not interested.
Don't go straight forward.
Wait, my sister. You said that they are not interested. Wait, my dear sister, now.
They are not interested.
You cannot take all the time, please.
Let me reply him now. We are still saying something that is very necessary. You said that they are not here. They are not interested to give us what we want. It's the same thing. They will not be interested to give you who you want to govern.
No,
that's simple truth.
You know, Madam, let me tell you. You know why they will do this? Look at what we the Igbo are getting it wrong.
Don't say your own. Don't speak for anybody.
Every time when it comes to election,
Igbo will say,
Igbo will say, this is why we don't have say. Igbo will say, we need Biafra. We need Biafra. We don't vote. We're not going to come out and vote. We're not going to come out and do this. Then at the end of the day, after they finish with the election, then you want them to listen to Igbo? No. Come out and vote. Then after you vote finish, then you request for what you are looking for.
Brother, the one that we vote in Imo State, they change it and impose on us Ozodema. That's what I want people to know.
Can I say
I don't know. I will not talk again.
Madam, so let me tell, I just want to tell you something. I know we are all worried. We are all concerned about Nigeria. We all want our region to be independent, but it doesn't happen like that. You know, if you look at what happened in Europe, in England, how they did everything and they separated. So there is a procedure. There are things that we need to do. And I can assure you it's not going to happen before 2027.
It's not possible.
So when you are now saying, who are we going to vote? That votes don't count. If everybody come out en masse,
If everybody come out en masse, I say it again, there is no phone apathy. We all vote whoever we want. I'm telling you, it will be very, very difficult for them to
God
win.
bless you, my sister. Overwhelming vote.
So phone vote apathy.
If we vote overwhelmingly, it go count.
Vote apathy is when people do not come out to vote. When people do not come out, please let me finish, sir. If people do not come out to vote, they will be able to rig. And you are talking about candidates. You know, I'm not conversing, but I'm going to say my own candidate. I'm a Yoruba. I'm from Yoruba, Ekiti to be precise. And my candidate is Excellency Peter Obi, because that man stand out above them all. When you are talking about integrity, when you are talking about somebody that has conquered greed, when you are talking about somebody that has plans, when you are talking about somebody that loves the poor, when you are talking about somebody that have very good past, and you are talking about somebody that even up to now is not taking any gratuity or any pension from Anambra State. No. And you are talking about somebody that have the love of the poor. Mr. Peter Obi stand tall. It's unfortunate that in 2023, people came out and voted en masse for this man, and we were rigged. We know his background. We know his education. Is well educated. Is well connected. He can go to any country in the world. He sits with the king, and he knows what is going on. And whether we like it or not, we can say whatever we want. We can say, you know, we can deny it. No politician in Nigeria today is standing tall the way Mr. Peter Obi is standing tall. Because anywhere he goes, you know, they have tried. The EFCC have tried. Everybody have tried. You know, they have not seen anything against this man. He's a politician from another world. But I know my Yorubas, because we worship nonsense. We worship because it's our own. Number one, even when it's failing, we are still worshiping. You know. But it's unfortunate. But in 2027, if you like, open your eyes. If you like, vote for the best. If you like, if you know you want the best for Nigeria as of now, even though we want Oduduwa, we want Arewa, we want Biafra, but if you know you want the best for Nigeria, they are afraid of him because they know if he come in, he's going to turn everything around. They are really afraid. But I believe in him. I trust him. In 2023, my family voted for him. And coming 2027, if he's going to be on the ballot, they will still vote for him. So he's my candidate, and I'm proud to say it as a proud Yoruba woman. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma. Everybody, just go straight. Free. This is a free platform. Go straight. Don't pepe. Don't go kono. Speak for your own. Don't speak for me.
I will say.
Look at she.
I will say this.
Straightforward. She's not growing kono. Don't go kono. Let's hear your own side.
Oh yeah. I will say this. Nigeria should forget about dividing the country. We are one. Okay. Nigeria is sweet. I love Yoruba. I love Hausa. I love Igbo. I'm a Niger Delta guy. So if anybody should ask me to sell my candidate, I have two candidates in mind. Okay. Number one is Omoyele Sowore, followed by Peter Obi. Omoyele Sowore has proven himself that he can do it. He hates all that the government presently are doing to the citizens.
Just click yes. Come up.
To my own belief, Omoyele Sowore and Peter Obi can deliver us from this nonsense. These two guys, if Nigeria should choose these two people, Peter Obi or Omoyele Sowore, trust me, one of them will do something great. I can say it over and over. My prayer is one day both of them agree to work together. I'm praying every day to see both of them work together. But if it doesn't happen, if we be able to choose one of them, it's either Peter Obi or Omoyele Sowore, trust me, Nigeria will be heaven on earth. That is what I believe.
Please, I want to talk, please.
Okay, just go straight forward. Let's hear you.
Please, can I add a little bit? Please.
Don't add to anybody opinion. Please.
Okay, yeah,
Don't add
yeah.
to anybody opinion. Just
My
say
name,
your own thing.
yeah, my name is
Say your
Jacob.
own thing.
I'll be saying it. Yoruba want to go, Igbo want to go. For now, it's not possible. We have been voting. Criminal have been ruling us. The only one I told this kind of before. How the only way we can win Nigeria, we already divided. I'll be saying it. We already divided. Because there is nothing Ondo State is doing that an Abraham will say he cannot do. The Nigeria has been divided. What we need to do now is that let's go to the grassroots from House of Assembly to governor. If we have people minded like us here ruling each state, we will be able to channel it to the president. But for now, for the next 20 years, the criminal will continue to rule us. There is no way. The only way we start from the basic, from the house, from the governor. If we have all the western areas, southern Nigeria, to having good governance, we will divide the Nigeria easily without using any force. But if we have criminal, if we divide Yoruba now, Igbo, is it the same criminal that will be ruling us? Is it the same criminal we have now? Please, let us now bring candidate from the governor, from the House of Assembly. If we have good people like Obi when he was a governor, run the whole governor, we will be able to divide this country without, and we are already divided. There is nothing Lagos State is doing that Oyo State will say no, Lagos State cannot develop this way. But if we have good people, not criminal, to rule us, Nigeria will be okay. Thank you.
Thank you. That's all. Next.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Okay.
Me, as far as I'm concerned, if the country Nigeria should remain, the voting that you are talking about, if the voting will come at all, the voting should be based on regional level, not a president in Abuja. Let us stop deceiving ourselves and be wishing. All these things we're talking about is just wish. It's just a night after election that the president called the INEC chairman and flew him to Ikoyi, 30 billion. The results changed overnight. So all this your vote. You are just voting for nothing. It won't count. Overnight, INEC chairman will collect money, change story for you. So we have to keep pushing. If not dividing, we have to keep pushing. Don't say it is not possible. It is not possible. The situation we have, it is not. No. Stop saying derogatory and discouraging words that it is not possible. It's not possible.
Anybody, seek your own, please.
Yes.
You don't need to discourage anybody opinion, please.
Okay. So as far as I'm concerned, if any election will come up, look at Showore and Peter Obi. If they come together, they are, in fact, Showore and Peter Obi, if they come together as president, either will be president, Showore vice president, or Showore vice president, Peter Obi vice president. Either of the two, if they come together, wow, we will see Nigeria of our dream. But the power dynamics in the Nigerian state will not allow. Nigeria wasn't created for good people to rule. That's my contribution. Nigeria wasn't created for good people to rule.
Okay. Next, Talokon. Galandina. Are you there? Galandi, are you there? If okay.
Hello, ma.
Change. Okay.
Hello, ma. Electoral. Yeah. Thanks for having me. Just it's a very interesting conversation. I'd just like to, first of all, we Nigerians, I believe a lot of us are distracted by the religious and the tribes and the political standing of each tribe. Whereas, the way the white man sees it, whitey man, sees it is that, first of all, we need to cause as much confusion as possible. And while we're fighting amongst each other, talking about we need to separate, we need to stay together, we need to fight this bandit, we need to do this, we need to ask ourselves a real question. Who exactly caused this Boko Haram? When did it start? It started in 2011, immediately after the Gaddafi presidency was assassinated. It expanded to Africa. The weapons, because Gaddafi had lots of weapons, was stolen and spread all over Africa by the bandits. Who is funding these bandits? America has came forward to admit in their own Senate that they are funding their taxpayers' money, 64 billion yearly, to cause confusion and insurgency in these countries. For what purpose? Let's ask ourselves, for what purpose? They don't care about your Christianity or your Muslim, whatever, or your tribes. They don't even see Nigeria or Nigerians as an issue. They see you as a geographically placed country for their actual agenda, which is you are placed in West Africa, and what is abandoned in West Africa? Okay, all this is related to Sudan, UAE, and I'll explain why. In Sudan, for example, the same trick, the same playbook they're using for us, they've used it for many others. Okay? In Sudan, the UAE is paying America a large sum yearly to carry on killing innocent people and stealing their resources. Okay? We don't want Nigeria to end up like that. Okay? All this, we're coming in to help the Christian is fooling. We're fooling.
F1, 444, F1.
Okay? So let's be real. First of all, if you Google Tinubu, our current president, is a CIA asset on Wikipedia. That means he's working indirectly for America. Nigeria is seen as an ally of the America and the United Kingdom, a strategic ally and a wet dream for a colonial country, because we are the easiest to manipulate. They're stealing our resources, whereas we're suffering and everybody is living in poverty on the road. They are terrified. However, if Nigeria wakes up and takes take the control by the horn and start looking after itself, they will collapse within overnight. The reason why they have to have I don't know why we are allied with these people. First of all, they have no good interest in us. They are angry at the moment because they've seen a few things change in 2025. China has come in.
Can you round up, please?
Yes, China has come in for infrastructure build. That means Nigeria will be able to stand on its own feet. Okay, that's why they're talking about Christians, not because they love Christians in Nigeria. This is the same man that said Nigeria is a shithole country. All of a sudden, he's thinking he's going to save Christians. Let's not fool ourselves. And I'm going to round up with, please educate our children and educate yourself on the real issues. Stop fighting amongst the tribes, because that's what they use. Who's benefiting from fighting amongst each other? Them. While we're distracted squabbling, they are taking our resources. They are terrified of China, and that's why we need.
I beg, round up. I don't even like you're bringing confusion in our police.
So who is the next person? Mr.
Let me be the next person.
Can we ask him question? Can we ask him question?
Can you unmute yourself? Okay.
Yeah. So thank you for giving me this time. Yeah, as in my point here is I believe in one Nigeria. The reason why I believe in one Nigeria, as in we have many tribes. That's the way Nigeria was created. So as in for us,
network Yoda. Hello, Abubakar, your network. Network Abubakar Oda. Okay. Mr. Kí lorúkọ yín?
Dandozi.
World Glow. World of Golden. Àbí mi mọ orúkọ yín bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe kọ́pọ̀. Tẹ́ wà ń sàlẹ̀. World Golden. Ṣé World Golden ni orúkọ yín? World.
Can I speak my mind?
Golden. Ṣé wà ń bẹ̀? Tẹ́ ló kíní ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀. World Golden kíní kan mi mọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe kọ́pọ̀ o. Ṣé wà ń tòsí? Òkè tẹ́ bá sí ń tòsí. DS ọ̀rọ̀ kájọ yín.
He muted himself. I think, let me speak.
Word off.
Can I go on?
Continue.
Okay, thank you. Talking about raising a candidate for 2027. I think election is not our problem now, because we voted during 2023 and we saw what they did. So also people talking about P2B. I can only support P2B in one condition.
Your own side. Let your own.
Yeah. Thank you. That's what I'm trying to talk. I will only support P2B in one condition. If he didn't make any deal with Atiku and Erofai in ADC, that is the only condition I will support P2B. But if you allow me to say my own mind, I will say that we should separate this country. Igbo should go, Yoruba should have their own country, and also should pursue Fulani and take control of their land. Thank you, my brother.
Thank you. Okay. Gero Salah. Gero, please, I don't. Oh, yeah, speak, please. Pico. Gero Zela. Let hear your opinion, please.
Thank you. Thank you very much for giving me a time. So,
ti rí ohun tí a mú wá fún wa lénìí, ẹ bá wa like, ẹ bá wa share, ẹ bá wa subscribe sí orí Òjíṣẹ́ TV, ẹ bá wa tẹ notification bell so that a bá tún mú àwọn àkọ̀tun wá fún wa, ẹ̀yin lẹ́ ò kọ́kọ́ máa rí títí di ìgbà tá ò tún máa pàdé lórí Òjíṣẹ́ TV. Ó dàbọ̀.